Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will take you through an existing project on amazing analyzing the Indian stock market using Python and Tableau. Even if you are new to data analysis or stock market, don't worry, I will explain everything in simple terms. So first we go, let's see which website I use for downloading the data sets. So this is a Kaggle website. Basically, you know the Kaggle we can use for you can use to find tons of data set for analysis. Like you can in Kaggle you can see the Nifty 50 data and COVID-19 data and population and all data. You anything you want you can search here, easily you get the data. So I will give a small context of what is the data set. Is the data is the price history and trading volume of 50 stocks in the index of Nifty 50 from NSE. Data are at a day level with pricing and trading values split across .csv files. So this is my .csv files all I circle the basically this is a 50 files hold major Nifty 50. After downloading uh, my CSV file look like this, like Asian Paints, Bajaj Auto, Cipla, Coal India, all major 50 stocks data will be downloaded. After downloading to start, the data set includes more important stock details like opening price, previous close, high, low, last value, the closing price of that stock, and the volume per weighted, volume trades, turnover per day, how many trades are executed, and all. This is ton of data we have. So after downloading the data, so our second step will be merging and mm, cleaning the data. So next I used Jupyter Notebook for merge and combine multiple files into one merged dataset to analyze a broader market trend. Before moving ahead, I checked for any missing or uh, null values to to clean data so that our data analysis is accurate. So first I import the uh, Python libraries, then the data frame. You read that CSV Nifty 50 all CSV. The head look like this: date, symbol, series, previous close, and all. And after stock metadata, let me show you the what is stock metadata. In stock metadata, the basic company name and which industry it is, and the symbol, series, and ISIN code. ISIN code basically is a in code number of a company. So merge both the file and save into a merged merged file .csv. So after merging all the data in a single file, then I have to adding a key stock market indicators. Indicators I have to add because in Tableau I will analyze all the data using that indicators. So first I found percentage change, close minus open upon percent open into 100. Then I save to the merged file, and after that I find MA50, MA200, closing DF close rolling window 50. That means it will find the average of 50 columns, and in MA 200 it will find the rolling window 200 average. After MA 50 and MA 200 I find EMA 12, EMA 26. What is the formula? Close dot this is EMA AWM span 12 and adjust false span 12. That means it will find the average of 12 rows, and in 26 it will find the average of 26 as per the close data. After May 12 and 26 I find MACD single line histogram. Basically these are all the indicators that a user can trader or long term investor can use to find the best stocks for their investment and all. So this is a Bollinger Bands, ADX, average directional index. After finding all the data, creating a new columns and added new indicators in my data. So my data look like this. So we have date, symbol, series, previous close, open, high, low, last close, volume. This is all the data, company name and industry, and the ISIN code, the percentage change per day, and then daily returns. What will the daily returns direction? Uh, if stock move particular day in a positive or a negative, it will show me a direction. And OBV, it's in a part of ADX index, ADX indicator, sorry. This is a Bollinger upper band, Bollinger lower band, TR equal to true range, and this is plus DI minus DI, DM. It will use subtopic of ADX, the true range, smooth, the DR. This all the indicator I added, like EMA 12, EMA 26, MACD, and all my data. We'll look full data visualization tool. Here I created different sheets to display insights. First, I created a candlestick chart in Tableau. Also for candlestick chart, calculated field like difference, close minus open. I can show you that. Yeah, the close minus open. This is a calculated field I made for candlestick pattern, and difference high minus low. Mm, yeah, high minus low. You can see for color. I that this is a candlestick pattern, and Bollinger Band. Let me show you moving average open price. In this, I used measure names like MA200 and MA50. Will show me ADX indicator, and this is a title sheet Nifty 50 equity analysis, and the last day of trading session. And here you show the volume. Per trading day, we will show it will show me a volume. Then we go Bollinger strategy. This is also Bollinger lower band, upper band, and the close. Same using measure names and measure value. In measure names, you want any field like a Bollinger lower band or upper band, put in to filter section, and then put measure names in rows column, and date in column self. Then we move to our dashboard. the, f- Let me show you. Yeah, so this is my dashboard. You can see I combine all these sheets into a well-designed interactive dashboard where the user can explore the data and gain stock market insights easily. So let me show you. The If you click on symbol, this is a working dashboard. If you click on Bajaj Finserv, then my whole dashboard will change. And if I click on Bajaj Auto, yeah, my whole dashboard will change. And let's suppose in here we are looking for a 1 year data. And let's suppose I want to see the fifth month of 2009 and the first month of 2010. So it will changes data according to the date, and in that date last period of my trading it will show me here. Then last period will be 8/1/2010, and in that period section what is the lowest price and what is the highest price, it will also show me. And this is a Bollinger upper band or Bollinger strategies, and this is EMA. This MA50, MA200 open price, and MA200 and MA50. You can see if you hover on the uh, line, then you will see a pop-up that will show you the which line shows the MA50 and MA200. Then this is ADX strategy, and this is volume. It really help your user to invest, trader or investor, to find a great stock and invest on them. Let me show you clear. If we see a 3 or 4 month data, then how it will look like. So in here you can see it will show me a candlestick pattern in proper way, and in This is show me a boiling a strategy, EMA strategy, EDX strategy, and all. And this is the volume strategy, and that's it. Using Python for data processing and Tableau. Just a second. I exit from the full screen mode. If function option, yeah. Mm. And that's it. Using Python from data processing and Tableau for visualizing, we turn raw stack data into meaningful insight. So you can check my GitHub profile, and if you want to see how dashboard work, you in GitHub you can click a dashboard live, then it will redirect you to a Tableau public website. In Tableau public, I uploaded this dashboard, so you can easily uh, see and how it work. You can check it all. Just it taking a time. Just a second, it will show you. Yeah. Mm, in here you can work on that like BPCL or Bharti Airtel. You can click any data network issue. Then yeah, so that's all.